Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to open the developer tools on Google Chrome browser. So developer tools in Chrome are set of built-in web developer tools, and then I'll show you on how to open and find in Google Chrome browser. And without further ado, and let's go ahead. So all you have to do is to open up your Chrome browser, and then once you open up, and then click the three dotted icon on the top right corners. So this is the customize and control Google Chrome, and then click, and then you need to scroll down and then select this more tools, and then on left pop up navigations panel, and then you can select now this developer tools, or you can use this keyboard shortcut to open. Press this keyboard shortcut Control plus Shift plus I. Okay, and then you need to click this developer tools, and then it will open now here at right panel. So let's look around about this tool. So you can see now this elements, also console, sources, and then network. And also you can modify this developer tools on settings. Then you need to click this icon settings here on the right side corner, and then click. Then here at settings, then you can see this preference, workspace, AI innovations, experiments, ignore list, devices, throttling, location shortcuts, and also you can modify or change this tools appearance and theme. You can select this auto, light, or dark, and then panel layout, also you can change it with horizontal, vertical, or auto. Then languages, also you can change it, select those languages here, and also you can enable or disable the state overlay. And also this sources, you can select, you can modify whatever the preferences you want. And also the elements, same, network, console, extensions also, and persistence, you can enable also the local overrides. Debugger, also you can disable. And also with the global, you can select auto open or search. And then we have also this enable settings, sign in with your Google Chrome account. And also we have here this styles, computed layout, event listeners, the DOM, breakpoints, and then properties. So developer tools also, guys, it provides a powerful way to inspecting, debugging, and optimizing web pages and web apps, and also allow to analyze website behavior, network requests, and performance. You can even also edit the sources files and create website. And then also you can open in the other way to open this developers tools here in Chrome. So right click on any part of the web page. So all you have to do is to right click, and then you can select this inspect or inspect element, and then click. And then you can see now that developer tools is already open again by clicking this right click on here on any web parts here. Then you can see now the developer tools is open here. Then also you can modify, you can create also website here. All right, so that's it, guys. And thanks for watching. And please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you, guys, and see you in my next tutorials.